All right, the next project we're going to be doing is installing these Hood Struts. I made another video where I was talking about them, and I don't know what I called it in those hydraulic thingies or whatever, but I'm pretty sure the correct name is Hood Struts. It's got one for each side, and I'm not sure why this truck doesn't already have them, because it's already set up for them. It goes through that square hole there, and then it goes down to the fender. So I'll show you that, but it just came with a regular hood prop, and this is the highest trim model, XLT, yeah. So I don't know why it didn't come with them when my base model in the 2020 already had the Hood Struts. So not sure, but they weren't very expensive, and I'll show you how to do it now. All right, we've got this hardware here. This just slips into there, and then it turns to tighten. And then you've got a washer on there, and then for that nut you'll need a 13mm deep socket. All right, that's what it looks like after it's installed. It takes a little bit of finagling, but it's not hard to get on there. Again, 13mm deep socket for that. Now we just got to do it to the other side. All right, so if you look right at where the hood hinges, you've got that upper bolt and that lower bolt. You're going to need an extension to get in there. We're going to open that, or we're going to remove that lower bolt, and we're going to put our bracket on there for the strut, and go ahead and torque it back down. All right, that's what it should look like once it's installed. You will have to hold it in place when you do the final torque on it, because it wants to push that direction towards the fender. So just hold it in place so that it's nice and straight when you torque it out. Now we're going to do the same thing to the other side. All right, so now we mount the struts, and it just presses on there, and it presses on lower. They say do the lower one first, so I'm going to do that. But when you put it on, you kind of have to wiggle it back and forth a little like this, because there's a clip in there that you want to get over that little ball. If you just jam it straight on, it's going to bend the clip, and then it's not going to stay on. So do like a little wiggle motion and firmly press it on, and you'll get it. All right, there we have it. Now the struts are holding up the hood by themselves. Looks good. I'm going to open and close it a couple times to test it. I do like the fact that the kit came with 2 extra clips in case you do bend that when you're putting it on the ball socket. So there's 2 replacements that come with the kit, so that's pretty cool. Let's test it out now. All right, hood's popped. Lift it. Very nice. I will tell you that this is definitely plenty of protection for the weight of your hood, because I installed one on first, and I had to lower the regular kickstand because it was a little bit lower than these new ones. These new ones raise it up about 2 more inches. So anyway, one of them will hold the hood, but 2 is better, of course. All right, guys, we'll see you on the next project.